Storm Team 4 reported a snowstorm delivering totals across the tri-state area, ninth largest ever for Central Park with 19.7 inches. Several Long Island and New Jersey spots topped 30 inches, led by Islip with about 31 inches, the most there since 1963. Other top totals include Central Islip 31, Lyndhurst 30.7, Carlstadt 30.2, East Islip 30, Patchogue 30, Babylon 29.5, Leonia 29.7, Grasmere, Staten Island, 29, Holbrook 29, Nesconset 28.8, Todt Hill 27.8, Haworth 27.6, Englewood 27.5, Newark Airport 27.1, Ridgefield 27.1, Dongan Hills 27, and North Merrick 25.4 inches. Westchester communities ranged in the mid to high 20s and low to mid 20s, with Hartsdale 24.1 and Valhalla 24 inches. The totals reflect updates through 3 p.m. Monday across New York City, Long Island, New Jersey, and parts of Hudson Valley and Connecticut. A live map shows updated totals by area. The storm drenched NYC, Long Island, New Jersey, and Connecticut.